Good evening, everybody. Are you ready to learn today? Today I am going to ask you some basic question. Some questions I have already asked by this girl. She has given the answer of these questions. Some remain questions, and the next remain question is how many holy rivers in India. So for that I am calling Mr. Hariom. Mr. Hariom, come to answer. I know that you are very much fond of camera, so that is why I hope you will speak with sincerity. Okay, okay, speak. How many holy rivers in India?
There are many holy rivers in India like Ganga, Nanda, Brahmaputra, Kaveri, etc.
Okay, explain the real identity of India.
The real identity of India is a mother of democracy. It is known for mother of democracy, and it is called Vishwa Guru. It is becoming that our Prime Minister Modi ji has said that they are trying to
He is coming in range. Okay, yes,
they are trying to
because of his height.
becoming India as a Vishwa Guru, and I think it is a real identity
Okay,
of India.
right. He has a good height. That's why. Okay,
Yes, sir.
have you
So
spoken?
yes, sir, I have spoken.
Let me complete this answer again, that what is the real identity of India. As far as I am of the opinion, or as far as my observation is concerned, that unity in diversity
Yes.
is the real identity of India.
Mother of
India has a
democracy.
big diversity,
Yes.
many states, many languages, many culture, and many kinds of living style, living standards. Even then we all are united.
United.
We all are together. It's the biggest
Biggest plus point of
or
our
identity of India.
identity of
Okay.
India.
In our India, the one important thing is that we enjoy the three climates.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Outside country, we enjoy one or two climate. When
Yes,
India,
sir.
we enjoy the three climate. In same time, one time, now we are feeling hot here. You go to the
Kerala,
Kedarnath,
Kedarnath,
Uttarakhand,
and also
or
Kerala, sir,
East
because
India.
of
East India, you go east or North India, you will have a cold.
yes, sir.
You go South India, you will have a hot.
Much.
And somewhere it is running this time. So it's the identity of India, and India is called the
Mother of democracy.
land of agriculture,
Yes, sir.
land of spices. यहाँ मसाले बहुत होते हैं.
Yes, sir.
India is the land of religion.
Yes, sir. India is the
All the
largest
religions are
exporter.
found in India.
Yes, sir.
Only the country in the world that has all the religions is only India. Okay.
Yes, sir.
India's population is the second largest population. So
Yes,
it is
sir.
not an identity,
Yeah.
but religion is the identity
Sir, I think
of India.
I have a point that India is the largest democratic land of
Okay.
the world.
Very good. And second thing, India's constitution is the biggest constitution.
Written constitution.
Written biggest constitution of the world. And one and last, but very important thing is that all the countries, the gender is, by the way, the country has no gender. Even then,
Yeah.
all the countries is known as
Female.
masculine gender. But India is only, that is called Mother India.
Mother India, yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
These are
Feminist
some basic
country.
these are some basics identities of India, and these are most important things. Okay, it's the real identity of India, I think.
Yes.
Okay, why does the young generation keep on adopting Western culture?
Because of I think because of globalization, because of technology. This time the technology has improved and improving day by day, and the YouTubes are came, the social media platforms are came, and the numbers of pupils of the worlds are connected to each other. So that's why this is the biggest reason. And second thing is the pupils of India are getting bored early, getting bored from one thing. So that is the another reason. I think
Okay, that I am wholly agree with your statement, with your comments on the adopting the Western culture by the youngster of other country, by the young men of other countries. But some more things, that the India's culture does not give the 100% freedom to the people.
yes,
India's culture, India's culture allow us to live in a limit. India's culture does not allow us to cross the limit.
yes,
But the foreign culture is without limit. Foreign culture is an open culture. In foreign culture, each and everybody has a freedom to live their life. But in Indian social values and Indian social rules are very strong. Okay,
Sir,
where some women, some family or some society do some sort of society do not allow their women to go out of curtain. Okay, and some people are not allowed to marry in different caste. Okay, but in America or other developed country, they have no casteism. They
sir,
have no particular family system that can have only the foundation to marry in a particular family.
sir, I want to say
Yes.
something that I observed that the foreign peoples are able to making difference, making decisions better than India's people because of I think open-minded, because of
Like
open-minded.
everywhere, only the problem in India, or either problem or a type of a arrangement or type of a system, that India's social structure is different. The
Yes,
society does not allow to do anything in India, that one marriage is
is
a
allowed.
permanent marriage for 7 generation. But
Yes,
in
sir.
other country, there is a contract marriage,
Yes, sir.
that everyone
Practical
wants to
marriage.
marry again and again. They don't think about the result in future. They want to enjoy their life at present. Okay,
Yes. So,
that's the biggest problem.
sir, I think the contract marriage is coming to India because the YouTube shorts and reels coming. So people want to learn in 30 seconds. Not
You have already spoken. It's the time of globalization,
yes, sir.
that we are learning something from other country and they are also learning something from us.
Yeah.
Just they want some social values, they want spirituality, they want to feel the God, essence of God. They are coming to India.
Yeah.
Why the India's people are sannyasi and sadhu, and India's people are spiritual teacher. India's people believe in yoga and
Yes.
God, evil spirit and God. So they want to learn these things from India. Same thing, that India's people want something from other country. So it's the mutual learning.
Yes, sir.
It's a mutual learning.
Connective learning.
Yeah, mutual the sharing of the
Sharing.
things.
So
Okay.
connective learning.
So I think
It is a better
at this
le-
time,
better way to learn.
each and everybody has a freedom to live his life according to his choice.
Yes.
So why the choice, or according to that choice, the people should not take the wrong advantage of freedom.
Sir, that's why the peoples of India have a lack of confidence.
Yeah.
I think mostly in numbers I have seen the people.
I can't say that if the people of India have lack of confidence, how can they attack on Pakistan?
No,
Okay,
no.
they attacked, they have done surgical strike and
Sir,
air
it can-
strike.
sir, it
How can
can't
you
be
say the
possible.
India's people
Sir,
have no confidence?
It cannot be possible.
India's population is growing day by day, and you say that India's people is shy. Okay, chalo, question
Sir,
number
because
next.
of illiteracy.
Illiteracy. Okay, what are you doing for this country? What are you doing for this country?
Sir, I am doing individually.
हाँ, come here, नहीं तो उसमें आओगे नहीं.
So
सर
I
कट
am
जाएगा.
doing
Okay?
a thing individual that I am trying to become a क्या बोलते हैं सर उसको? I am trying to become a जिम्मेदारी
Responsibility.
responsible citizen of this country, and this is the most important thing of a democratic country. If you think about the China and South Korea, they are not worried about their government. So it is my individual thing, and I am doing preparation for competitive exam. So I want to serve the people at lowest price. If I will become, it doesn't matter. I will become IPS officer, IAS officer. I will become doctor. It doesn't matter. I want to serve the people directly or indirectly.
Profession does not matter.
Yeah, sir.
You will be always helpful for the people, whether you are doctor, engineer, whatever. It doesn't make any difference.
Yes, sir.
If you ask me the same question, what are you doing for the country? You know, I am educating the people for
Yes,
country.
sir.
Education is the base
You are serving the
of
people.
the career. I am serving this way.
Yes, sir.
Each and every person who is doing something in favor of country is serving the nation. Okay. Generally, we call that the person who is standing with gun on the border is called the patriot. But generally, each and every one of us that does something for the country. Either we are collecting the garbage, we are protecting government property, we are saving the electricity, we are educating the children, or we are saving the poor man, or we are not littering our country, not creating pollution in our country, it means we are the patriot. We are doing something in favor of
Sir,
country.
I want to ask a question. Why the peoples are crazy about the becoming the doctor engineer? They are not worried about the teachers.
Actually, it's not a matter of social work. Generally, that we call that I am serving as a doctor, I am serving as engineer. No, they are not serving. They are they are attracted by the money. They think that doctor and engineer is more profitable than teacher. They are running after the money only.
Yes,
They
sir.
are
Mostly
not worry
doctors
about.
and
They are not worry about to serve the nation.
yes, sir.
What happened when the engineer construct a bridge? After 2 3 months, bridge fell down, collapsed. Why? Because they did not make that bridge honestly. That's why that bridge was collapsed afterwards. So that's why I think this time the people are finding a profession or the finding the job where they have high
Where
income.
society makes a responsible man
Of
to him.
course, I think it's the only matter of earning. It is on, yes. It's only the matter of earning. It's not matter of serving. Okay. The next question is that what are the human rights in our country? Speak orally. Human rights.
There are six human rights in our country, like right to equality, right to education, right to information, etc.
Huh. Right to religious.
Right to religious perceptions,
Huh.
right to I forget it.
Okay, okay, no problem at all. If you know, right to vote,
Yes, right to vote. Yes, sir. Right to vote.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Right to elect
vote.
our government, right to vote.
Right
It's
to
also right.
mostly the mostly important is right to education.
Of course. Okay.
So,
चलो ठीक है. How is your dream India? Very important question. How is your dream India?
sir, as far as India is concerned, so sir, I think India is a mother of democracy. We called it mother of democracy. So I think this time the mother of democracy is in danger.
हाँ.
So my dream India is like that the all
Don't go there.
genders
Don't
are
go there. I think he has a problem to go there. Okay.
sir, I think
I should tie him by girma or by rope. Okay.
I think my dream India is there the all genders are same equality and same opportunity,
Okay.
and there is no reservation,
Mhm.
neither or general nor OBC nor
Yes.
ST/SC.
Yes.
Because reservation is another matter, and third thing is the spiritual thing. The nowadays government trying to rename the places like they renamed the Habibganj to Rani Kamlapati. Why? Because of they are doing the another thing. It is a bad. It is
Okay, okay.
opposite.
Don't divert from your topic.
Yes,
How
sir.
should we dream India?
Sir,
I am asking you to.
My dream India is everyone has a equal opportunity,
Yes.
equality,
Okay.
right to education, and
Okay.
education is compulsory.
Okay.
They want, it doesn't matter they don't want, yeah, they want.
Okay.
So these are the points to consider as my dream India.
Okay. You have spoken well about Dream India. As far as my Dream India is concerned, so I think that my Dream India will be developed India, where all the people live together. There will be no violence, no communal violence, no corruption, no poverty, no problem,
Sir,
no terrorism.
Sir, it is
no
possible
terror.
when the education is
It is the
applied.
possible, however will be the possible. It will be possible or not possible, but my Dream India, that I have right to dream. Dream has no charge.
Yeah.
That's why we must see the dream as much as possible. So my Dream India, you understand, where there will be no violence, no fighting, no communal violence, no corruption, no poverty, no problems. Everybody will be happy.
Sir, I think,
Everybody will be cooperating.
Sir,
I
I
think this
think-
planet should be beautiful. There should be no fighting for religion. There should not be fighting for caste. There should not be any kinds of discrimination. There should be similarity. There should not be any kinds of crime. Generally, it happens that the powerful men always oppress or torture the a weak man or the weak people.
Minorities
So
people. They
minorities
are
or
trying
weak.
to minorities
So
people.
it should not be. It should not be. In my dream India, everything will be happy. I think it will be like a paradise.
Yes, sir.
Paradise where the imagination is that in paradise everybody is happy. There is no crime, no problem at all.
Sir, I
Okay.
think the education is a very important role in our
Sometimes
country.
people misuse the education. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The highest officers, bureaucrats are highly educated, even then they involve in corruption.
Sir, I think
Education
bureaucracy is
does not guarantee. Education is not a good education is not guarantee of honesty, because honesty comes from your civic sense, honesty comes from your background, honesty comes from your nature, your morality,
Genetically
your
also.
morality. Okay. Your behavior, your nature. Okay. If you are greedy, so definitely you will involve in corruption. If you are honest, you will always ready to serve the country, you will not involve in these things. Okay. This time that people are having a or people are expecting the extra income. What have you seen at the time of corona, that some of the people have found that opportunity in problems. Okay. And they have sold a duplicate vaccine.
Yes.
They have sold duplicate vaccine. One
Duplicate
side people
tablets also.
duplicate tablets, one side the people are dying and they are supplying duplicate vaccine. How can we make our country Vishwa Guru?
Sir,
So in my dream that our country should be Vishwa
Sir,
Guru.
the best example of this fraud is Baba Ramdev.
Of course. Of course, Baba Ramdev,
he
he
sold the
disclosed.
coronal.
He disclosed. No. Baba Ramdev is a good man. He is Indian,
No,
and
sir.
he is supplying the good product and
Sir,
indigenous product.
He forgave it through the newspaper to the our peoples of India. Do you see, sir? Do you know, sir?
I know, but he has seen he has said to the people of India. You are talking about Ramdev Baba.
Yes, sir.
That the vaccine is danger for the people, and he said that each and everybody should be protected at home, should not go out, should live with distance. Okay. Ramdev Baba is a very positive, I think. He is the a good person for country. He is the patriot, I think. Maybe businessman, but Ramdev Baba is not a danger for country.
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
अच्छे आदमी है. I think
Sir,
not danger. The number of companies are supplying their product.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are taking the milk of Amul company.
Sir,
Amul.
I am
Amul is
talking
a
about-
duplicate milk, and
Yes,
we
sir.
are taking that milk from Sanchi. So I think they mix the preserver, formalin
Sir,
or preserver that can preserve our milk for a long time.
Sir,
So we are taking the poison.
Sir, you said that the Amul is a duplicate product, duplicate milk. But you seen the negative points, but you see the positive points of Amul. Amul is a very Amul is very contribution. Amul is very contribution to the white revolution.
Okay, I think I am not agree with you that the contribution eliminate the sin of the people. Okay, that मैं इस बात को नहीं मानता कि किसी का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है, किसी का चंदा है, वो पाप को धो दे. आप बंदूक बेच के आप कहो भैया जो बंदूक बेचता हूँ 1 लाख में बिकती 50,000 में चंदा दे देता हूँ गरीबों को, तो बंदूक कितने लोगों को निपटाएगी? तो अगर कोई गलत प्रोडक्ट बेच रहा है, जान से खिलवाड़ कर रहा है, और उसके बाद वो ये कहे कि मुझे मैं चंदा दे के लोगों की सेवा करवाता हूँ, तो आई थिंक इट्स रॉन्ग. अभी की हुआ क्या है, ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज में खूब चर्चा का विषय बना हुआ है. चंदा चंदा चंदा.
चंदा.
चलो ठीक है. ओके, हैव अ सीट. तो यू हैव स्पोकन योर ड्रीम इंडिया. ओके, सिट डाउन.
Sir, I want to ask a question.
ओके जल्दी पूछ लो क्या क्वेश्चन है. आई नो दैट यू विल आस्क द
What do you
क्वेश्चन.
think about the celebrities? They doing the ad of pan masalas.
पहले तो इधर 1000 रेंज में, ठीक है. एज फार एज सेलिब्रिटीज आर कंसर्न, they are businessmen, they are professionals, they are earning money, they have a popularity, but they misuse their popularity. If they think if they are having a money or they have an opportunity to earn money by the wrong advertisement, they are ready for that. So don't compare Bollywood actors or celebrities with the patriot. They are only earning money. They are real hero. They are
Yes,
not
sir,
real
really.
hero.
Really?
Real hero are the heroes are standing on the border. They are the real hero of the country. The Bollywood stars can never be the ideal of youngster.
Yes, sir.
But unfortunately, our youngsters make them ideal. Our youngsters follow them as an ideal. Our youngster paste their photograph at their home
Wallpaper
as they are
also.
ideal. Maybe they play the role in the movies. Sometimes they play positive role, sometimes negative.
Yeah.
But in reality,
Sir, it is a part
most
of
of the
his setup.
celebrities are only running after the money. Their only purpose to earn money. Have you seen their cases? They involve in drug supply. They involve in nonsense things or some illegal things. Okay, the celebrities kids, they also involve in drugs case many times. So it means that they are not worry about the country. They are only actor, or actor means the one who acts something that is original or not, that is fake or original, it doesn't make any difference. They act over that.
Sir,
They
I
are called
think
the actor.
it should be banned.
How can we ban? I think it's the matter of independence. It's the matter of freedom. If you are advertising something for your earning, okay, you can. How can I stop you? It's the matter of your earning. It's the matter of your freedom.
Sir,
Okay,
what?
but when you listen the voice of your conscience, that it is danger for the country. If the Salman Khan or Ajay Devgan advertise that bole Jawa Kesari and
Bole
eating the
Jawa
pouch,
Kesari.
it means that the thousands or millions of youths start buying that pouch because of that actor. Okay, so I think it's the wrong. It's the matter of their earning, but our youngsters should not follow them. Our real hero is Neeraj Chopra. They are working hard on the border. They are continue. They are doing something for the country, but they are not involving in fake advertisement or that dirty advertisement for money. They are the real hero. We should follow them. Okay.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
that's the conclusion is, guys. So please be careful for choosing the idol of
Good.
yourself.
You should make me ideal. Okay.